Welcome to Curious Cubs and Exploring Kids. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.
I'm a Yorkshire pig. And guess what? We love to play in the mud. Hello, kids. Did you know pigs roll in mud to stay cool? Did you know Nubian goats have long, floppy ears and love carrots? Here you go, BB. And this is where we get the milk. Jersey cows are the best. Jersey cows have these beautiful fawn-colored coats. And look, they produce yummy milk for us to drink.
Look at her feathers. Why are they black and white?
And look at her comb. Is that how they know she's a Plymouth Rock? See how fluffy she is. And this red part here is called the comb.
She's so soft. Wow!